Bill Sheriff. I'm chairman of Predator Mining Corp. We are a mineral exploration and development company focused on our gold assets in the Yukon in Canada, which we view as one of the premier jurisdictions in the world for the development of pretty near pristine resources. Well, I think it really boils down to the three different aspects of the company. Number one is our Three Aces project, which is a high-grade vein-type orogenic deposit, somewhat analogous to the Pogo deposit in Alaska. This is where we've recently conducted bulk sampling, which has been very promising. Second type of asset that we have is our Brewery Creek deposit, which is a more traditional heap leach bulk tonnage resource. It was shut down in 2002. It's a former producer. It was last operated by Viceroy. We'd spent about $30 million in the intervening time and built that resource up to over 800,000 ounces in the indicated and inferred categories of heap leach material, and have put out a PEA statement about 2 years ago showing favorable economics. And we'll be looking forward to developments along that with the improving gold price. And the third is we do have a number of properties that are an investment bank, if you will, ready for people to come and find joint venture partners for and venture those out. Certainly non-core assets, but they're valuable assets. They just require a bit more exploration. Well, I think when you compare the market cap and just the overall valuations following this prolonged depression in the mining industry with the quality of the assets and in fact the resource that we do have, I think it would stand out on its own merits. And we're posed to benefit from increasing gold prices, yet the projects are certainly substantial enough to hold their own and do quite well even in the current gold market. Well, we have quite a few of those coming. I think the key thing to look for here is our recently completed financing. And that's certainly put a needed injection of capital into the company, which will allow us to pursue additional work on our Three Aces project. Here again, that's the bulk sampling, and we'll be doing a bit more of that, and also further analysis of the more than 4-kilometer diameter soil anomalies that exist on the property. And we intend to also renew our efforts on the Brewery Creek feasibility study and permitting in due course over the coming months and years. We think the recent development with Kaminak being taken over by Goldcorp just illustrates the viability and the importance of the assets in the Yukon, and we're well positioned to take advantage of that.